Hi there, and welcome to this video on cash flow forecasting within QuickBooks Online. My name is Tom Belton. I'm a cloud accounting specialist at PJCO Accountants. So the aim of this video is just to run through the cash flow tab on QuickBooks, and that's just on the left-hand side here. So when I click into cash flow, it will load up, and the first thing that we'll notice is it will tell you your bank balance as of today. This is going to bring through your live bank balance rather than the balance that QuickBooks believes your bank account to be. So in order for this to work efficiently, you're going to want to have a live bank connection with QuickBooks. So unfortunately, in the dummy account, we are unable to do that. So we won't see any figures pulling through in here, but we'll run through the capabilities of it anyway. So once you've got today's balance, the aim of QuickBooks is to bring through the next few months of transactions based off of what's happened previously in the account. You also get the chance to add in transactions that you think might happen. So let's say, for example, you wanted to make a big transaction in June and wanted to see how it was going to affect the bank account. If I put in the date of the 1st of June this year, and let's say I was going to make a big expense to Amazon for £5,000. I say this is money out and it's just going to be a one-time transaction. I can click save in there and it's going to add in the transaction, and it will add it in alongside the transactions that are already in here based off of QuickBooks predicting your bank balance, and it will give you what the balance is likely to be, transactions that are coming up, and then the closing balance in the future. So this is going to show your cash balance and what's projected versus what's actually happening at the moment. And then you can change this to money in versus money out. So this will show you just in a nice graphical way how much money is coming into your account and how much is going out each month. And we can also change the time period that we see here. So if I click on this 12 months option, I can change this to be a more condensed planner, or I can use the beta version of the 24-month planner within QuickBooks. So once you've got all of your transactions in here, you can edit them as well. And you can say this is actually going to be repeating in the end, and it's going to repeat every month on the last Friday of the month, for example. We can say it does end. For example, if you've got a lease payment or something that's going to be repeating for the next 6 months, for example, I'm going to say this will then end on the last Friday of November 2021, and I'll click update and it'll bring through all future transactions as well. So it'll give you the closing balance at the end of the period after all of these transactions are taken into account, and we'll see it reflected in the graph up here too. So the final thing that you can really do on this is you can export it as a PDF if you wanted to use it to show in meetings. And it's quite a nice PDF. It shows you exactly what's coming to the account, what's going out, and a graph to show you the current balance and how this is likely to be impacted in the future between the periods shown as above. So that's the cash flow tab. If you have any questions, please do get in contact at tom@peterjarman.com. Thanks for watching.